What's going on, y'all? As you guys can see, and as you read in the thumbnail and the title of the video, we're going to be reviewing this 2013 GT500. I believe this one's a 50th anniversary. This is my boy's car. As you can see, super clean. He just got a detail not so long ago, but look at this black. Super nasty. And he got these done too. Red calipers. This is custom too. Red stripe on alongside of the main stripes. Carbon fiber. This boy don't play. But yeah, it's a 5.8, different from mine. You guys can tell this thing is way nicer than the 05 to 09 S197s. Let me see. And this dude, like I said, he don't play. Look at this. Carbon fiber everything. Look at this. But yeah, super nasty. Let's take a look under the hood. All right, and then here's under the hood. Has the Trinity blower. He doesn't have much mods to it other than like cosmetic stuff and the JLT. I believe it's the intake because I think the throttle body is still stock. But besides that, super clean. Snake. I need to get one of these, one of the JLT catch cans. But yeah, look at this thing, super clean. This is one of the things I need to get, the carbon fiber. But you guys can see a better look from inside. If anybody watching has any of these seats, let me know. I'm trying to buy them. This dude don't want to sell them to me, but I'll eventually find some. Only black with the black stripes. I don't want any other stripes. So if you have them, hit me up. Anyways, as you can see, the car's super clean. I'm gonna go ahead and start it for you guys really quick. So here you hear the rumbling 2013 GT500. So if you guys don't know who it is, it's my boy. Instagram is right here. Make sure to check him out. I'll go ahead and get some clips from it from the inside. But yeah, so super clean whip. I absolutely love this car. It's one of my dream cars. Even though I already have a Shelby GT500. The 1314 is my favorite by far. The reason I love this car is because of the movie Need for Speed. Just because they showcased the silver one. White body, and that's what made me fall in love with it. Obviously I have an older one, but yeah, I would love to have one of these one day. I don't know if I would sell mine to get one of these though, but who knows. So let's go ahead, head inside, take it for a little ride along, and then that'll basically be it. So we're rolling now. This thing might more than some dude's wife when they're trying to get divorced, bro. Oh, no, bro. Pinche indios andan mal, bro. we're out here. We already just did a walk around and everything on the car, but I'm just taking pics of it really quick. Here's one of them. Let me show another one. And here's another one. Same spot. Kind of dark. Still need to edit them. But that's basically going to be it for this video. Right now I'm just going to finish up shooting the car while we have light. Again, love this car. Love any kind of 1314, especially in black. So if you guys like this car, make sure to check out his Instagram. Again, I'll have it in the description, but it's also right here. I'll show you guys really quick. And hit up the boy, World Class Detail, the guy who cleaned this beast real quick. Let me just get everything. World.class.detail. But yeah, check him out. Make sure to check him out. Huge shout out to him for letting me, you know, review the car. But oh, forgot this little tiny thing. Red eye. Dodge took it off this dude. But yeah, that's basically gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.